Nice shoe, but we can agree that candy corn gotta be the nastiest candy in the world, right? Well, some of y'all like it so much that my sneakers came with a bite mark. What's up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C Notes. Thanks for checking me out, man. And today we're going to do a review on the Nike SB Dunk High Sweet Candy Corn. And I'm not going to lie to you, candy corn is something I don't like at all, but I had to get this sneaker in hand. When it comes to Halloween and SBs, Nike hits it out the park. They make this holiday for them, man. Y'all all remember the Mummies. Started at $500 resale. Ain't go down yet. One of the hardest SBs ever. These, listen close. Get close to me. If anybody want to sell me them Halloween mischief SB dunks, hit me in the comment section below. I really need those. Now back to the candy corn joints and Halloween. Yeah, when it comes to Halloween, man, SBs go super hard. So we knew something was coming. We just ain't know until it was like too late. So last week on the Nike sneakers app, it was sort of a shock drop, I guess you could call it, but it was scratch and sniff. You had to scratch the picture of the candy corn until the sneaker revealed itself, and bam, here come the SB Sweet Candy Corns. And I'm not gonna lie, some things I would have went different, but material-wise, we never seen nothing like this, man. And you know we don't talk too much at Sneaker Notes, so hit the music. Unboxing time. Yes, sir. So you get that nice purple Nike SB Dunk box back. The last couple of joints I've been showing y'all, we've been getting that new platinum off-white look. The purple is back. I guess the purple is signaling highs and the gray is the low. I really don't know. But I like the purple and it just fits in with the whole Halloween scheme. Purple, black, orange. I like this look. It reads Nike SB Dunk High Pro, Amarillo, orange, white, and black. That is all the colors that I'm sure that the candy corn says. When you flip up the lid, you get that tissue paper and that green tree bark look design. And let's start with the right shoe. Here's a 360 view of the Nike SB Dunk Sweet Candy Corn. Now I'm going to tell you guys, the 4K might give it some justice, but in hand, it does not look how it feels. If you feel this sneaker, it feels just like a candy corn. It has the candy corn texture. I don't know how Nike pulled this off. Let's start with, boom. It has a bite mark on the toe box, guys. Check this out. On the toe box, it has like a mouth guard bite mark right there. I don't know who idea was, but that is super dope, man. SBs always give us like Easter eggs. That is dope. But as far as the toe box in general, nice material. I'm telling you, this feels like a candy corn, guys. Nice material there. I don't know if it's leather, but I couldn't tell you what this is. It's not canvas. It's more in that leather family to hard plastic, guys. I couldn't put my finger on it, but that material is all through. So after you start with the white, peep the orange threading inside the sneaker, also giving you more Halloween vibes. But after you finish with the white, It goes up to like a semi to darker orange. The swoosh is orange with yellow in the background like a 3D print. And then you finally get to yellow. In the bottom, of course, is black and white. So all colors of a candy corn is present. Very, very dope. You get, I guess, not one, not two, but 3 different shoelaces. I'm telling you, man, SB step up when Halloween come around. Must be someone's favorite holiday. But you get 3 different shoelaces, orange, white, and black. I kind of like the black or the orange that comes in. Y'all let me know in the comment section below which one would y'all prefer. And if that wasn't enough candy corn for you, the whole insides have the candy corn palette of falling candy corn. Dope look. Come around to the back. You have all yellow with your orange from your Nike swooshes there. Collabing there. This material, I wish I knew what they called it. This is super firm, super soft, man. This material is wild, guys. Getting to the tongue. On top of the tongue, you have a Nike SB logo, but the candy corn is either on the I or the K. As you can see there, they went all out when it comes to this. On the back of the tongue, you have a warning. It says, warning, do not take candy from strangers. So it's a stranger danger logo there. As you can see there, with another candy corn, I believe. This is a crazy shoe, man. The bottom is draped in Halloween colors, orange and black. Nothing special there, but the orange and black is, you know, it goes with the theme. That was the right shoe. This one is the left. Everything seems to add up there. You have the candy corn there. The same warning sign there. I didn't show y'all on the tips of the shoelaces of the orange ones. You got yellow on the tip. So that's kind of dope too. Another reason to stay with the orange. I wonder if the black changed colors. I'll double check. But yeah, everything's the same from right to left. And that's all the Easter eggs I found. Note that on the left, you do not have that bite mark. That's only on the right shoe. So keep that in mind, guys. They even came with glowing stickers. Crazy. These mummies was something special, man. Yes, sir. So that's a quick 4K review on the newest Halloween theme Nike SB Dunk. I like them. I mean, I'm not a big, huge fan of Halloween. And I'm not a huge fan of mixing yellow or orange neither. But I like them, man. And they're SB, so you know I gotta do it. My gripe with the sneaker is that I wish it was a little bit reverse. You know, people hate to get their sneakers dirty. So to put white at the bottom was kind of odd to me. It should have went like orange, white, yellow, or yellow, orange, white. But I feel like that was the issue to me. But besides that, man, this sneaker is dope. It's definitely showing love to the candy corn lovers. I don't know how y'all eat crayons, but if y'all love them, man. I just can't do the candy corn, man. Definitely a dope shoe. Let me know in the comment section below how y'all feel about this sneaker. I paid, I think, $130 from Sneakers. I think it was $144 with tax. Right now, you could get this shoe for about that, $160, $150. I don't think it's the colorway that's throwing people off. People just don't like Nike SB Dunk Highs. Dunk Highs, period. It's I don't know. It's a thing, man. People really don't like them, and I don't get it. I had the Turd Dunkin' joints. I think that was 2 Thanksgivings ago, and I had the whole special pack. I just didn't like that colorway. But I had the Pandas high. I had the Red Championship high. I don't see a difference in highs and lows, man, but I think that's the reason. If this was a low, it would have been out the park at least at $300 right now. Let me know how y'all feel about these, man. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Thanks for watching. I'm catching up on all these reviews, man, so hit that notification bell. I'm almost there. I'm almost caught up, man, so there's a lot of heat still coming this week. Make sure you hit the notification bell. All the things them shoe tubers say, man. Everybody, get rich.